I'm not sure what happened, but my recording cut off, and I said I was gonna replace Golf Battle with BTD battles, and apparently I stopped my recording at some point at a time. See, we got this, and we got that, and then for Powers and Towers, we got like 2 new towers. Oh, is gonna buy something in here? Oh, Ego, I like Ego. So close to it. And yeah, I don't know why the recording. I thought I started recording, but apparently I didn't. I probably should have checked. So we just bought the monkey buck. We are 3-0 win rate, 100% win rate. We're still dabbing, flexing on these people. I guess I can play a couple more rounds. I thought I was gonna end the stream. I was gonna end the video right there. I don't know why I'm saying stream. I want to play speed battle. Let's play speed battle. So please help me get club rooms. And BTD 6 if you want to see that amazing content, please subscribe. Subscribe right now, I'll take all your cookies. Oh, this is so boring. Okay, whatever, screw it. Okay, let's just play. Okay, let's just play a couple rounds of Yellow Stadium. And usually you'll play like 3 or 4 rounds. I'll probably upload a Clash Royale just to make up for this. I'm about to verse a god. He's like, what, 10 times the amount what I am. Give me like sub. No, it's garbage. Oh, I'm totally fine. I love this combos. See, we dab on people like this. Yeah, before my recording cut off, my brother was in an intense Bonanza game sitting right next to me. So annoying. Like, oh my god, what? Yeah, we're gonna do a video with him tomorrow. No, actually, we're going somewhere. I don't think we can, but I think in like 2 or 3 days, you might see a video with him in BTD battles. Expect that. Get the 12 easy again. So I've learned regen rainbow rushes are OP. Don't know what to do. This kid is just wizard spamming. Remember that time when like the Pokemon Go song was just such a big meme? I play Pokemon Go every day. And I remember that. I love that song. Just getting some eco. Oh, recording. I don't know what to talk. Are you kidding me? What is with these people disconnecting every 10 seconds? Oh my god. Oh, this is such a bummer. And I had such good commentating, and then my recording just got off, and I got so mad. And then I realized I wasn't recording, and I think I still am. Yeah, I'm definitely recording. It's been 3 minutes. This is gonna be like a 5-minute video. Are you kidding? I'm just gonna play one more round. And I'm still at 100% win rate. Let's go. I'm so good. Comment down below what games you want me to buy soon. I would buy this, but I don't have enough money, so please subscribe so I can get some money. What is it? Get 10k medallions. Wow, that'd be nice. What tower can we buy? Spike Factory. I like Spike Factory. Spike Factory is actually really nice, but it's overpriced. Like, imagine I'm just versing some like 5 million trying to bully us. Like, that'd be so disappointing. Recording. Yeah. Hopefully this goes good. Oh my god, I'm about to bully this kid so hard. I'm so sorry. Man, just how the cookie crumbles. Oh, that, and that. Yeah, okay, that seems solid. I like Darling and Metal. Cobras! Let's go, easy money! I'm sorry to rip headphone users. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, just because you're gonna lose doesn't mean you have to do that. So rude. I know that's a strategy. I just don't feel I'm gonna go with that. Dart Monkey. Okay, we can actually get triple Dart Monkey, which is nice. Man, I love playing BTD games or Ninja Kiwi games in general. My brother's game is so stupid. Oh my god, it's so intense. Yes, oh my god, it's been taking forever. You're at round 33! Oh my gosh, I still have 100% win rate. I can't let some random just destroy me. Okay, he went that way. He went down. Get that easy $6. That was stupid. We ranked. Oh my god, this game is so intense. I just don't feel like spamming anymore. We're spamming. We're spamming him. Oh, you got that. So, I feel like getting a lightning out. Let's just get this lightning. I know I love lightning so much. It's probably one of the best early game upgrades to get. And I love that image. It's like him having a rock symbol. Oh my god, I can't believe the recording did it. It just annoyed me so much. Let's get the $24. I feel like just spamming spike factories at the end. So I might have to cut mid-recording, but I just don't feel like editing this video, and I'm just gonna I'm just gonna make my brother do it. If someone comes over. Someone was supposed to come over today. One of my dad's friends. I can't believe I wasn't recording. But it was a good thing. And oh my god, he has a balloon jitsu. I'm so screwed. I'm so screwed. What do you want me to do? I'm dead. There's nothing I can do. Balloon jitsu. This is gonna be my first loss. You know how disappointing that's gonna be to me? Let's just get a row of spike guns. Bro, what is with him? What is with him? And those ninjas, buy something else. Gosh, okay. Just get bigger stacks. Getting some money right now. Yes, you have 27 phoenixes?
Look at his screen, dude.
Yeah, but he has... Oh my god. Oh yes, regen rainbow rush. See? Yeah, let's go! Regen Rainbow Rush! Headphone user, sorry. I am a headphone user, and the win streak is real. 5-0. I don't feel like bullying this kid even more. Oh man, that was nice. I'm 5-0. But okay, let's buy this tower. Whatever it is, we're gonna whatever. It's only 5. I don't think it really matters. Check how long this recording is. And I think that's gonna be it. 10 minutes. I might record a Clash Royale, but that's gonna be it.